Hey, what's up everybody? This episode I'm going to be working on the exhaust, which is probably the number one thing that I've been looking forward to doing on this bike since the build started. So first off, I got to do some fab work. Now I bought straight pipes as well as mandrel bends, so I'll be working on cutting those and fitting them in nice and tight so that they look good, work well, and fit the vision of what the bike is supposed to look like as a whole. Alright, let's get to it. So the exhaust is all fabbed up, so now I need to leak check it, as well as I really want to know what it sounds like. Problem is that this bike doesn't run yet. So luckily I have a cafe racer that I built out of an '83 Goldwing, so it's the exact same bike. So I can take the new pipes that I made and put it on the cafe racer and check for leaks, as well as do a sound check with no baffles and then with baffles, and see which one I like better. So you guys make sure you comment and tell me which ones you like better, and maybe you'll change my mind. So alright, let's check it out. So no leaks, and it sounds awesome, with or without the baffles. So I'll have to make up my mind about that later. So the next step's gonna be polishing, which is actually a brushed steel look, and then paint. Now I'll be painting most of the exhaust with a header paint because I plan on wrapping it with exhaust wrap, but I don't want it to rust and corrode underneath it. So I'll get that going and then I'll have to cook it later. Alright, so now that they're all painted, it's time to cook them. Now typically you would just put it on the bike that you're going to use and rev it up and rev it down and let it cool and do all that crap. Problem is that this bike doesn't run. So I'm going to try a method that I came up in my head that I thought might work, and if it doesn't, I'll just slap it on this bike here and we'll do it the old-fashioned way. So the paint's all cooked up and it's time to do the wrapping. Now I bought a 2-inch roll and a 1-inch roll. The 1-inch roll I'll be using to wrap around the individual pipes that come off the head and into the collector. And then from there I'll take the 2-inch roll and I'll bring that all the way out to where I'm going to end the wrap. I also bought some black straps, which I've never used before, so hopefully they hold up well to the heat. Oh man, I am so excited at how this turned out. The titanium wrap on here looks so good. The paint turned out well as the brushed tailpipes just fit the bike so well. And it sounds awesome. I couldn't be happier, I really couldn't. So hopefully you guys liked the build here. And if you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get updates for future videos. Alright, that's it. You guys, be careful out there.